Auto technicians on most 6T70 and 6T75 transmissions of the vehicles Acaria, Captiva, Malibu, and Traverse under 6-cylinder versions, damage has been detected frequently on the 4th, 5th, and 6th gear drum. This damage takes place when the wave plate of the 3rd, 5th, and reverse backing plate collapses. In the past, the whole drum and the wave plate have to be replaced with new units, and that has a high cost. In Autottec, we have developed the 25128 SP kit. This kit consists of a steel plate, a wave plate, and a backing plate. To use this Autottec kit, we just need to get rid of the first steel plate, which is frequently damaged, and the wave plate. How do we do this? First, we install the steel plate, and then the wave plate, and finally the backing plate. By installing these three components, we are correcting the damage that is found at the bottom part of the drum. How is it reassembled? We install first a friction plate and a steel plate, a friction plate, a steel plate, a friction plate, a steel plate, a friction plate, and the backing plate. Then we need to align the plates perfectly and install the sealing ring. After placing the sealing ring, we can verify that we get the original tolerance. In Autottec, we develop solutions for you. Autottec.